In this video, we see how to select a job, declare the station and measure points, and change the station point. Switch on the instrument, pressing the power key. To select a job, press 7 key to enter the main menu. Press 1 key to enter the file manager. Press 1 key to select the job select item. Press F2 key to define a new job. Insert the name for the job. And press on Enter to confirm. Confirm pressing F4 key. Press F4 key to set the job you have created. To declare station and measure points, enter the survey menu pressing 2 key. Enter surveying pressing 1 key. Press 2 to set the station. Press F2 to input the station. Insert the coordinates for the station and its ID, and confirm pressing Enter button. Select the Rec Soft key. Insert the instrument height. Confirm pressing the OK Soft key. Press 3 key to set the orientation. Choose angle orientation. Insert the ID for the orientation point and confirm with F4 key. Aim the back sight, then press Enter to measure. Enter the surveying page through 4 button. Insert the point ID and the target height. In any moment you can modify the EDM settings, pressing the star button. Press 2 key. Here define reflector type, EDM mode and, if necessary, prism constant. Otherwise you can also change the target type using the quick function. Enable the shift pressing F3. Press dot button to switch the target type. In shift mode you can also enter electronic bubble using dash key. Or change values shown on the screen. Press 0 to see coordinates. Press 1 to see distances. Press 4 to see angles. Disable shift mode pressing F3. Press F4 to change soft key page. Press F1 key to measure distance. And F3 to record. Use all softcut to measure and store data in the same time. But the point ID cannot be edited. To change station point, measure the next station point. Power off the instrument. And move it on the new station point. Switch on the instrument and go to the surveying menu. Press 2 key to set the new station. Press F1 key to select the new station point from measurement database. Select the new station point from the list. And press OK Soft key. Edit the new station height. And press F4 key. Press 3 key to set the orientation. Choose Coord orientation item. Press F1 key to select the backside point from measurement database. Select the previous station point. And press OK Soft key. Edit the height. And press F4 key. Aim to the backside point and press Enter key to confirm. Press F1 key to measure. Confirm pressing F4 key. Enter again the surveying page to measure new points. For more details, refer to the user manual. Thank you for your attention. Have a good job with R20 Total Station.